own who you are, which is a mother. And so we've got to ask ourselves, what story are we defaulting to that is completely limiting us? We all have them, but are we aware of them? Most people are not aware of them. Well, how do you get aware of it? By focus, by observing yourself, by being neutral. Neutral is about focus. So none of this works if you don't have great focus. I could go on the street right now and I could go observe 100 people, and I will tell you 1% of that 100 will have great focus. But if I tell you that, observe it for yourself, test yourself. I want you to observe yourself and look where you've created your best results. And then observe where your focus was when you did that. And then look when you've been drifting and observe your focus there. You're